Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina, and today I would love to show you the steps for how to take out the trash. Taking out the trash is an important life skill to learn. One, because it helps keep our house clean and keep us healthy. But also because if you don't take out the trash, your house can start to get really stinky and pests can come. That means insects and rodents, things that you just don't want in the house, which can make you sick. So it's really important that you learn these steps. Follow along with me and then you can try it at home as well. Let's go.
When you find that your trash can is full, like this, it's time to follow the steps to take out the trash. The first step you want to do is remove the lid of your trash can. Not all trash cans have lids, but if you do have one, you can use both hands to carefully remove the lid. This trash can also has a second lid that helps hold the trash bag in. I'm going to remove that too. Now that the lid is removed, the next step is to carefully lift the trash bag out of the trash can. Using my hands, I'm going to carefully unwrap the ends of the trash bag from around the trash can. The next step is to find the drawstrings part of the bag and pull those strings tight. Not all trash bags have these strings. You can also look for handles or just grab the sides of the trash bag. I'm going to pull the trash bag tight and secure. Now we're ready to carry the trash out to the large dumpster or trash can. Sometimes people keep their larger trash cans in their garage or their backyard. I'm taking mine to a dumpster nearby. This will look different for everyone. Here you can see the step for placing the trash into the dumpster. Lift up the lid with one hand and use your other hand to put the trash bag in. Perfect. If you have an individual trash can like this, you'll want to make sure to take it out to the street once a week. This is where the garbage truck can pick it up. Once you have put your trash into the trash can, the next step is to return inside. From here, grab a new trash bag. To open the bag, start by finding the top of the bag. These ones with drawstrings will be at the top of the bag, so you can look for that color. Next, hold the bag in one hand and spread your index finger and thumb apart to help get it open. Then hold the bag in each hand and spread it apart. I like to shake the bag to fully open it. The next step is to place the trash bag back into the inside trash can. Start by putting the bottom of the bag in first. Then carefully wrap the top of the trash bag around the top of the trash can. The last step, if you have a lid, is to place the lid back on the top of the trash can. This will be a little different for each person's trash can. And just like that, we finished the steps for taking out the trash.
Thank you so much for following along with us. I can't wait to hear all about how you are doing at home with these steps. If you need a visual guide, check the description below and download one yourself. Thanks. Bye.